Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to delete your Credit Karma account step by step. This process is straightforward, but it does need to be done from the correct settings page to make sure your account is fully closed. First, open your web browser or the Credit Karma app and go to creditkarma.com. Log in using your username and password. Make sure you're signed in to the correct account before continuing. Once you're logged in, go to your profile and settings. If you're on a desktop, click on your profile icon and select Profile and Settings from the menu. If you're using the mobile app, open the menu, tap on Profile, and then go to Settings. After you're in the Settings section, scroll all the way to the bottom of the page. Look for the option that says Close My Account. When you find it, tap or click on it. A confirmation message will appear asking if you're sure you want to close your account. Review the message, then confirm by selecting Yes to complete the process. Once confirmed, your Credit Karma account will be closed. Keep in mind that this action is permanent, and you'll lose access to your credit data and account history. And that's how you delete your Credit Karma account. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.